Hello, YouTube. What's going on today? All right, so I won't be wasting time on this one, but I just want to give you guys a quick tour of my group. Yeah. Okay, so first of all, once you're added to the group, once you accept the invite, uh, this is where you get to meet yourself. You get to meet yourself in this. Click here if you're new. And so once you're in, please just click on this these emojis, right? These reactions, please click on them. Okay, more like you're reading this disclaimer and then you click on it. So once you're in, right, it takes you down to, then you come to this beginner section. Okay, and I'll be posting this video just here, just replacing this one. As you can see, it's saying here, "I welcome to the group and thanks for choosing King Soul's FX mentorship." Like this is just you, this video is just going to teach you how to actually navigate through my Discord group. Okay, so once you're done with this video and you've read all these things, you can now come in to introduce yourself. Okay, please make sure you can see here, make sure you write what? Your name, your country, and any other comment. And please don't make sure to put in your flag. You can see that's what everybody did. You can see, right? Everybody putting in what? Their name. There's the flag there. There is extra comment, and there is the name of the country. You can see. So this is how I want it. Okay, would let's just be orderly. And now the news alert is one section whereby whenever there's news in the market, we get to inform you that yes, there's news in the market, either for us to what, stay away from it, or we trade it, or we trade it, is whichever one. Okay, now we have the announcement section. Okay, the announcement section is where I actually post the link for the weekly Zoom call, right? So we do have every week we do have this Zoom call whereby you guys get to ask me whatever question that is bothering you, or even if you just want to hear me say things to you, right? Just help you reply your questions and will be good. And also, it is also here where I post in my the weekly watch list. The weekly summary. So I do the weekly summary. I also post it here. And any other announcement that I would like to post in here. So I just send it down here. And now the watch list for the week. So more like I only mostly send the higher time frame analysis and everything. Like these are trades I pick personally. So there's no trade I will post here without me placing it. Yeah, I could place trades without posting it here. But just know that whatever trade I post here, I do pick it. Okay, and these are the results I'll be posting in the announcement section. Also, this watch list for the week will be excluding the Euro GBP and GBP USD, Euro USD and GBP USD pair, because I have a separate section for it. So the Euro USD and GBP USD pair are mostly used for prop firms. So, but doesn't mean that you can't add it to your watch list for the week. You understand me? So if you're trading a normal life account, you can use the signals, the trade idea. So let's just remove the word signals from our head. But just know that the trade idea, right? So you can use it here. But for the Euro USD, and so like why I said this is for profit, because I found out that I am more concentrated on Euro US EU and GU, more concentrated on this pairs more than the normal other pairs. So that is what I have for this Euro USD GP USD for prop firms. So this is likely used for you trading prop firm account. Okay, and then, but it doesn't still mean you can't add this ones here. But I'm just saying, to be more safe, to reduce your stop losses, I chose this Euro USD. Now, the watch list update. So whatever that happens in this watch list for the week and EU and GU for PropFM, I now post it here. Like we had for, and again, I tell you when to take TP and when to close trade and when I left, or just whatever the updates could be in these two section I posted down here. Like can see here for the AED card, like just things like this is what I do here. So now the rules, you come in here now, you can type here. So this read only are places where you can type in. It's only me that can control this section. So now this rules is where you come in to read the rules in this group for us to be more orderly. Now the frequently asked questions, you can have them here and stuff like that. And then the risk calculator, you can have the link here, and any other useful links here. You can see this is the book I use. In case you're looking for a raw spread account, you can use this link to register for yourself and register for a raw spread account. Don't go for spread, normal standard account. Okay, also, the must know. So this is where you come in to learn, right? So must know, you can start from the top, right? And go through it. And that's it. Because I have some normal drawings and normal abbreviation and stuff like that. Okay, that's it for this one. Then other blocks, right? I have the link for other blocks. You can see and stuff like that. Now the video courses, you can see we have about 10-part video courses here. You get, and now the call record is, so whichever call we have for the week, I get to us record them and post them. I have thousands of um recorded Zoom call. You can just go through them and see what we're doing there. That's if you miss the call. Okay, but I advise it's always more better to join the Zoom call. And the timing is always Nigeria time 10 a.m. on Saturdays. Okay. Now, wins breakdown is where I post in like any pair we smash for the week. I got to what still re-explain. It's more like a recap, right? Re-explain how and what made me to pick that trade and stuff like that. Do you understand me? Like UC, EU, and GU wins, right? So if you still come here, you would see them. UC, GU, and EU. So that was the win we got. So I just come in here to do what? To explain them. And yeah, that's basically what I do in this place. Now, general charts. You can talk whatever thing that is not related to Forex and stuff like that in this section. Okay. Okay. And then for trade talk, should be anything that has to do with Forex. And you see people talking about Forex here. Then trade ideas are for you guys that's what you've learned the strategy from the video course and stuff like that, and then you're now practicing or trying to ask me a question like what this big man just did, right? Like, is that good? And you can see my reply. You see, so because definitely we've seen what this supply zone expect, right? And then all this push to the downside, did book this structure to the downside. Yeah, he's calling it a chop, okay? And he wants it to what reverse and then come in here and then fall down again. Perfect for us. Okay, you can see other people, not only me. So you can see other people sending the analysis. So do it. Don't make sure. And if you want me to help you answer some questions, right? You just post and ask me question if you're not sure of some things. Okay, now why SL it? That's if you bothered about any trader it SL, we come in here to what resolve the issue. All right, and then now memes. Some people in my country we call it memes. But it's all good. So memes is where we can't just be walking. At least there should be something that will what make us laugh. And also, if you come to my story in Instagram, you always see me post some memes. Okay, and then prop firm traders. So this section is for those that are trading what? Prop firm. Okay. So now they come in here to what is give themselves ideas and stuff like that. It's because of these guys here how to create what the EU and GU signal. So this zone is so better for everybody. This section here for those that are trading prop firm. Now scalp trades, okay, are people that want to actually scalp in the market, and just do things. Yeah, they can actually show the analysis and stuff like that. Then the crypto calls, yeah, I also control this place. You can, it's for everyone, right? So I post in signals to here, but it's just for crypto only. So this section is only for crypto only. Then synthetic indices for those that trade on these synthetic indices. That's Vitality 75, V20, 1S, V75, V50, boom and crash and stuff like that. So this section is for them. Yeah. Okay. Now, flex is dot. Please, whenever you smash any trade, right? Try to what always post your results. Yeah, right. It's just going to encourage everyone that are here, you know. And also testimony section. If you like whatever we're doing in this Discord group, you can just come in here, right, and post it and say whatever good thing you want to say about the group. So you can see everything here. And I think we're good here. Now, motivation. Okay. Yeah, it's a little stuff, some motivation that I have here. And then, okay, so that's pretty much everything that have to do with trading, have to do with my group. So this is just more like a quick tour for everybody. For the newcomers, definitely. So once you follow the video, you now go to the next one. And I hope this will help you to actually navigate through my group. Take care.